What's going on, guys? Got the damn carburetor generator bullshit behind me, but we're back here Fayetteville doing some private testing. Got
what up?
Oh, Travis, freaking cameraman, and Matt and John and George and Alex over here knocked the hell out in the car. And we got Bobby out here. Last time y'all saw it was at No Prep. Today we're doing some prep stuff. I had the Silverback out here, but the scavenge pump took a shit. It's just smoking and it's spark knocking, so they're not gonna run down anymore. Made one good hit on the car, not sure what it ran. I'm not sure if they're gonna tell times on the car or not, but we're cooling the car off right now. And Matt helped me get the car, get the tune-up a little bit more dialed in. So we are just waiting for the car to cool down. We're gonna wait till it gets to like 160 or something like that, and then we're gonna make our first hit. Alright guys, another pass. I didn't hit the record button on the camera, but I make sure to do it on the next hit. But we picked up 3/10 just from having a trans brake and moving some numbers around, leaving higher. So we went 151 to the 60 and 650 to the 8th. So I think Matt moved some timing numbers around. We're out of injector, unfortunately, at 12 pounds. So probably just gonna order a set of 210s and stick them in the car, and I'll put another 450 in the tank and come back out here and see what it does. So my buddy Charles, the guy I got this car from, he's got this S197. It's got a single turbo Coyote setup, 400, and it's got trans brake and a bump box. So he wants me to take it down the track, possibly future drive it. So I'm gonna stick the camera on that. And somebody's brakes didn't work when they were going down the track, so I guess they're doing some cleanup with it right now. And then after they get that done, we'll make a hit in that car and then come back and make a hit in Bobby.
get scared. Drive with your damn heart, kid.
That added went back to that other fella, but I don't know. It's in the blood.
This car have moat.
Get over here.
Like it? You like my hair now?
Stay over there.
Stick around down there, guys. Stick around.